In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile photo on Meta Business Suite. If you want to update your business profile image in Meta Business Suite, the process is straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To get started, open Meta Business Suite and go to the main dashboard. From there, click on Settings. This is where Meta keeps the core business options and account level details. So if you're trying to change something related to your business identity, this is usually the right place to begin. Once you're in Settings, click on Business Info. This section contains the main information tied to your business portfolio, including the image that represents it. If you've never opened this area before, just take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page before moving on. Next, click on Edit. This will allow you to make changes to your current business information instead of just viewing it. If the page looks read-only at first, the Edit option is what unlocks those fields and image settings. After that, click on Edit Portfolio Picture. This is the specific option you need in order to replace the current profile image. Meta may refer to this as the portfolio picture rather than the profile photo, but this is the image associated with your business presence in the platform. Now click on Choose File on your device. This opens your computer's file browser so you can upload a new image. Make sure the image you want to use is easy to recognize, which is high quality and ideally sized well for a profile display. A clean logo or branded image usually works best. Then choose a file from your computer. Browse to the folder where your new image is saved, select it, and confirm your choice. Before you move forward, it's a good idea to quickly double check that you picked the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions of your logo or brand image saved. Finally, click on Submit. This sends the new image to Meta Business Suite and applies the update. After submitting, give it a moment to process. In some cases, the new profile photo may appear right away, while in others, it can take a short time to refresh across the platform. And that's it. Once the update is complete, your new business profile photo should be in place. If you found this helpful, you can follow the same path anytime you want to refresh your branding inside Meta Business Suite.